My first box from Influenster. Let's see what we got. Annie's white cheddar mac and cheese. Organic. Dr. Scholl's for her comfort insoles. Those look nice. Oh, 2 BB creams. One in light and one Pond's Luminous Finish BB cream in medium. Ooh, a yummy Belvita soft baked oats and chocolate cookie. I could eat that for breakfast. And the card says Influenster Mama Voxbox. Cuddle, play, hold, teach, share, love, laugh, grow. The Mama Voxbox by Influenster. Well, that's the Voxbox. Thanks. Bye.